Okay guys, we are on our way to find, I think there's 3 different waterfalls we've just discovered in a nearby city called San Jose.
No, Amlan.
Amlan. And how far away is that from Dumaguete?
30 minutes, half hour.
So about 30 minutes, and so we're going to take off, and hopefully we will be successful and find us some waterfalls. See you guys later. We're searching for the waterfalls. My girlfriend is down asking some people who live at this house down here where the waterfall is. Yeah, that's certainly one different from the west. In the west, you wouldn't just pull over to somebody's house and ask and walk into their house and ask them where something is. But here, apparently it's acceptable. She just walked down into their yard and she's asking for directions. So hopefully we find this thing. Finally found the correct direction to the waterfalls after asking lots of locals and going the wrong direction. Probably should have been here 1 hour ago, but we yeah. But this is the road that we're driving on with the motorbike. So we decided to go ahead and stop and walk the rest of the way. And as always, we got water shoes on and water bag, essential equipment whenever going to the beach, waterfalls out here in the Philippines. So, all right, we'll go find the waterfall and take you along. This is the pathway down to the waterfalls. How about you go first? Okay, Dave. Look at this. Oh, wow. This is what I'm talking about. This is what you come here for. Oh my God. You can't go down there. And this has to be the best waterfall that I've ever seen in the Philippines. This thing is amazing. Behind me, there's just a bunch of different levels that we're going to go explore. And behind me, it drops off. It drops way down into this big cavern. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. Careful. I mean, this is just amazing. Why don't you have your water shoes on? Water shoes. And then we need to go further down and try to get around. Ooh, water's nice and cool. Palapasan.
Yeah, it's deep, babe.
Yeah, I think it's deep. You could probably jump.
There are more. Woo!
Wow, this thing just has levels upon levels. We have to take Carlo and Erica here, right?
Yes.
Wow, look at this.
Ooh, wow. Ooh, that is nice.
Wow,
Wow, wow, wow, wow.
wow. This is just amazing. Amazing. Ah. No, go down on the rocks. Oh my gosh.
That's the right way. We need to go there. We go down.
Alright guys, we are still climbing. This thing has just multiple levels. You can see behind us it goes even further up. So we're going to continue climbing all the way up and see how far we go. And then we still have that direction to explore. Again, instrumental, have a water bag, 10 liters what I use, 20 liters better, and water shoes. So we're going to continue and hopefully we're safe. Wow.
The water is full.
Huh?
The water is full.
know.
They like that. Wow, the water is really cold. Wow, way different from the water there.
You can feel it?
Yes. Hey, babe, take a picture, babe. Have your camera. Have your camera.
This one works good too. Careful. Careful.
Let's go, babe.
Oh my God. Nope, babe. Be careful. Baby! It's not even funny.
I think it will jump. Of course not.
It's not that you would jump, you could slip. Very careful. Oh, this ain't the right direction, is it? Holy shit. Just be careful.
Hey, don't. Hey. There's no way.
There's no way there.
Very nice view, right?
Yeah. Hi guys, we are down with the waterfalls. We're gonna try, we couldn't hike all the way up. We just couldn't find a place that was safe enough. And actually my girlfriend took a spill, bruised up her side a little bit. So that's the downfall with these undeveloped waterfalls. You got to be really careful. Thank goodness she wasn't really hurt, just a little scraping. But we're going to take one more path to see if we can get down to these caverns down here. You can see behind me the water going down. And it empties out into this big cavern. So we're gonna see if we can hike around and get down there. But if not, we'll call it a day because you're already hurting, right? Yeah. She bruised herself. Where's the bruise?
Huh?
She hurt? Yeah. So we're gonna call it a day. We'll try to get down there, but we'll see what happens.